Welcome students, today I am going to teach you subject and predicate. You know that a sentence is a group of words, it makes a complete sense. You can make innumerable sentences from words. As Sarita sings song. This sentence we speak about Sarita. We say something about Sarita. What we say about Sarita? We say that Sarita sings song. What is her action? Sings song. So, the name of the person or thing about which something is said is the subject of a sentence. What we say about the subject is called the predicate of a sentence. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. A sentence can be divided into subject and predicate. Look the following examples. Vimla draws a picture. In this sentence, what is subject? Subject is Vimla. But why subject is Vimla? Because we are saying about Vimla. What we say about the subject is called the predicate. What we say about the subject? Draws a picture. So it is predicate. Second example, cow gives us milk. In this sentence, we are saying about cow. So this is subject. And what we say about the subject? Gives us milk. So it is predicate. Third example, Gandhiji was a great leader. What we say about Gandhiji? So it is subject. Was a great leader? It is predicate because we say about Gandhiji was a great leader. Next example is this book is interesting. What is subject in this sentence? This book. Because we are saying about this book. So this book is subject. And predicate is what we say about book is interesting. So it is predicate. I teach in a school. In this sentence, what is subject? I. Because a person about which something. This is person. So this is subject. Teach in a school, it is predicate. Next, tsunami destroyed many houses. Whom destroyed? Tsunami. Subject is tsunami. We are talking about tsunami. What we are talking about tsunami? Destroyed many houses. So it is predicate. Tree gives shade in summer. Which person we are saying about? Tree. So it is subject. What we say about tree? Give shade in summer. So it is predicate. Next example, his father gave him a new watch. Which person we saying about? His father. So it is subject. What we say about his father? Give him a new watch. So it is predicate. So, generally the first word in a sentence is the subject. It begins with a capital letters. It comes before the verb. You can see that teach is verb, destroy is verb, give is verb, give is verb. So, subject always comes before the verb. When there is no main verb, there will be a helping verb. You can see in this example. In this example has no main verb. It is a helping verb is. I hope you have learned what is subject and predicate. Keep watching this video and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.